Alright, welcome back to the vlog. I just want to tell you what I'm going through right now. I wanted to replace this headlight right here. I already replaced this one with an LED. I already replaced the signal light with an LED. You can see it in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there, an LED. I wanted to replace this one right here. Now, I ordered these LEDs. I want to show you right here. I ordered these LEDs, right? And they're supposed to go plug like this, right? But this is the same ones that I put on the, let me show you. Because when I ordered this, it came in four, like it came like 2 boxes with 2 LEDs each. So it came all together, supposedly for me to replace my headlights to LEDs. So I already used 1 box and I replaced these ones right here, and the other ones are supposed to be for here. So if you can see in here, you see I already replaced this one. They're already plugged and everything, but I had a hard time replacing this one because there is a lot of videos on YouTube that it show you that you just go under here and you just remove this or whatever, twist it, whatever, but that doesn't work with mine. You see, this one belong up here, and the one that I got here is this one, and this one you just don't twist it and get it out. It got screws, 4 screws to hold it, which was a pain in the ass, man, to get them out, because I don't want to take the whole front bumper out. I'm trying to do it without having to take the whole front bumper out, but I'm kind of glad I didn't took the whole front bumper out, because when I end up getting it out and putting out the light, this is what I had in there. And this is nothing compared or similar to the LEDs that I got on my car. I mean, on my car, no, on the package that I bought. So I definitely need like a different type of LED that it might plug. They have this plug like this that I can plug in here, but at the same time this thing is together with the ballast. I don't know if you know that metal box that come with the HIDs. For the LEDs, I shouldn't need that, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking, if you see the cable, it's right here, you see? You go all the way from the other side where I show you, and it go all the way through here, and it go connected right in there. And here is right, this is that ballast thing screwed up in here. And I was trying to see if I could find the connection that is connected to this, then maybe I can connect it to the LED. But man, I have no space, I find nothing. It's just crazy. So I'm ready to give up. I'm ready just to put the HID back on and say fuck it, you know what I mean? Cause I don't know, I guess I just wait until the HID go out, and then I'm probably gonna have to take the whole damn front bumper to get the light out. I don't know, I got a 2016 BMW 535i. So everybody that made videos about the BMW 535i and changing the light bulbs, they're lucky, man. They got the lucky headlight, I guess. And I always get the messed up ones. So yeah, so just letting you know, if you have a 2016 BMW 585 and you want to replace your headlight, do your research and figure out which is the headlight that you really need, because now I had to put this back on, which was a pain in the butt, man. I'm pissed. So I don't know, just letting you know, don't make the same mistake I did. Look what I had to use to try to get the screw out. this is what I had to use. I had to like stick my hand in there and just bug the crap out of it, trying to get that screw out, because the screw was right here. It's like right in here where my finger at. That's where the screw was. So I had to get this thing and go all the way into here with it, through here, so I could get the screw that it was right in here. I don't know if it can focus, but it was right in here. So this is how I have to work to try to get the screw out. It took me forever, and all for nothing, because the lights that I got, they don't work with this. So yeah, so that's the video for today. You want to replace your headlights, them Germany people, I mean, not Germany people, you know, I don't got nothing against Germany people. It's just the damn freaking car pissed me off, man. Everything had to be so complicated, at least for me, because everybody else seems like they got lucky when they get the 535 and they get the easy ones. So I'm just gonna put everything back on and say fuck it. I'm just gonna leave the HID on, and whenever the HID actually go out or anything, then I just take the whole bumper and trying to find the replacements one. If I cannot find an LED that I can fit in there, I just get new HIDs. Because man, really, I don't have the patience anymore to work on this car sometimes. Who knows? Maybe I get rid of it just because of that headlight pissed me off. Don't get me wrong, I love the car, but it's just some things that just piss me off. Like the BMW dealer pissed me off too. So yeah, anyway, that was the video, just so you guys know. And now I'm gonna get a hold of the seller that sold me these on eBay, because I mean the other ones actually work, but this one don't, man. This one don't. Like, this one doesn't go with the one that I'm trying to replace right now. I don't know how to make it work, but I don't think I will be able to. And these ones are, let me see the number, H7. That's the number of these ones, H7. And that's the same ones that I just put on the others, and beside the headlight on the other bulb. But anyway, just so you guys know, pain in the butt, waste of time. So until the next one, man, be safe. You already know, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to keep watching videos. All right, be safe.